ये सिरकट है जो पी के लोग फेंक देते हैं, तो उठा के हम इनको साफ कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो ये गंदकाई भी साफ हो जाती है और हमारे बच्चे भी पल जाए, दो पैसे मिल रहे हैं हमको।
Whatever materials that we collect, we process and recycle all the cigarette waste here at our factory. After separation, we get three items: paper, tobacco, and the filters. And from the filters, we make beautiful products such as soft toys, cushions, and many more. Annually, we are able to recycle millions of cigarette butts. Till 31st March 2022, we have already recycled more than 1.2 billion cigarette butts.